Hello everyone! Using EmbedPress, you can now embed all your awesome Canva designs in WordPress website without coding. Let's find out how it works. Make sure you have installed and activated the EmbedPress plugin in your WordPress website. When you are all done with designing on Canva and ready to embed it, click on the Share button at the top. Then, hit the See All button. Next, click on the Embed button and copy the Smart Embed link. You're all ready to embed Canva designs in WordPress now. Let's embed the Canva designs on Gutenberg Editor. First, open a page in Gutenberg Editor. Click on the plus icon to embed and display the Canva design. Search for the EmbedPress block and select it. Once the block is added, paste the collected Canva URL in the Embed field. Now, hit the Embed button. The Canva design will then be embedded instantly. From the right side panel, customize the width and height. After doing all the customizations, click on the Save button to save the changes. Let us take a look at the embedded Canva design. Let's embed the Canva designs on the Elementor website builder. Ensure the Elementor plugin is installed and activated on your WordPress site. Then, proceed to edit a page with Elementor. Click on the plus icon where you want to embed and display the Canva design. In the Elementor side panel, search for the EmbedPress element. Select and add it to your page. Under the Content tab, select Default from the Source Name dropdown. Next, paste the collected Canva design link in the Embedded Link field. In the Style tab, adjust the values for width and height of the element. Also, customize the margin, padding and alignment. From the Advanced tab, you will get additional settings for layout and more. Once you are done, hit the Publish button at the top. Let's take a look at the embedded Canva design. As you can see, the design has been embedded successfully with our configured customizations. This is how easily you can embed Canva designs on your WordPress websites without coding. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Happy embedding!